How many of you have ever suffered a broken exhaust stud on a really nice bike? Well, today we're going to surgically remove it. Hang in there. All right, he's got a elongated drill bit. As you can tell, we've got the frame protected. He's going to center it right dead center. He did use a center punch to get a little beam in there so the drill bit would get set correctly. He's drilling real slowly and meticulously. We don't want it to slip sideways. Trying to avoid pulling the head off the bike. Tony's been successful several times. Fronts and rears. Rears are a little easier, you get a little bit more room. This is actually the worst one, it's the lower front. So it's making progress. Slowly in the pocket. We don't want that handle to be off. We don't want to destroy the thread. We think that the stud is actually starting to screw in into the pocket. Alright, so we have fresh threads after the stud has been removed. And we're going to be replacing the exhaust gasket and putting the headers back on. And as you can see, the header is back in place. Another successful extraction done by Tony and Tyler of Samson Beach.
How wild is that?
It's unbelievable.